Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Portable Sawmill is probably one of the most versatile tools for anyone working with wood. These amazing machines allow you to take raw logs and turn them into usable lumber right on the spot. In this video, we'll dive into the world of portable sawmills, exploring their features, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the perfect one for your projects, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Number 5. Zozen Portable Chainsaw Mill. This is the Zozen Chainsaw Mill, a portable sawmill designed for builders and woodworkers. It's a flexible cutting guide system that allows you to create straight and level cuts with ease. The mill is suitable for chainsaws with bar lengths from 14 to 36 inches. You can adjust the planking milling height and width to create slabs from 1-2 to 12 inches thick. It's a versatile tool for any project. This mill features a unique, patented design with a spliced construction. It can be assembled into 3 different sizes for independent use, making it incredibly portable. When fully assembled, it can handle logs from 14 to 36 inches. It has a sleek look and an upgraded handle for better force. Assembly is quick and easy, with detailed instructions. Plus, it includes 4 free felling wedges and a dual system scale. The mill uses an advanced splicing method with internationally recognized aluminum profile and straight-line connectors. This allows for easy extension to cut longer sizes. You can find these accessories in the market. Use it to convert rough logs into beautiful slabs. It's perfect for cutting cedar, walnut, and oak into high-quality lumber. Its lightweight and portable design makes it ideal for use at home, in the forest, or wherever the tree falls. Perfect for homeowners, builders, and woodworkers. What we like. This mill's unique design allows it to be assembled in 3 different sizes, offering unparalleled flexibility. If you need to cut small wood or require a portable setup, this is perfect. It's ideal for those who value versatility and the ability to adapt to various project sizes. What people say. It's sturdy, well-built, and the flexible cutting guide system makes milling planks a breeze. Easy to adjust between sizes, and it gives a clean, even cut once you get the hang of it. It was easy to assemble, holds the chainsaw bar very well, no slippage, and the height adjustment is bang on and does not slip either. Number 4. Granberg MKIV Alaskan 30-inch Chainsaw Mill. This portable sawmill allows you to mill lumber wherever the tree falls. It's designed for ease of use, requiring no prior experience. The kit includes an instruction manual and all necessary assembly hardware. The mill easily clamps onto your chainsaw bar, eliminating the need for drilling. This makes setup quick and straightforward. It's a convenient solution for on-site wood cutting. This mill can handle chainsaw bar lengths up to 30 inches, providing a cutting width of up to 26 inches. You can accurately mill planks from 1-2 to 13 inches deep, ensuring straight and even cuts every time. It's crafted with high-quality USA-made aerospace aluminum extrusion and zinc-plated steel. This construction ensures a long lifespan. The CNC machined billet end brackets add to its durability. All Granberg mills are proudly made and assembled in America. The company is a family-owned business that uses its own products. They are passionate about what they make. Whether you're a professional, a hobbyist, or a new woodworker, there are videos available to show you how to use this product. The support team are experts in their craft and can help you out. What we like. This mill is proudly made in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality and durability. If you're looking for consistently straight and even cuts, this is your go-to. If you're a professional or a weekend hobbyist, this mill provides the reliability and precision you need. What people say. Exceptional directions, quality hardware, and components made the hour-long assembly easy. The timbers were over 13 wide and with this mill, made some very nice boards. I have used this mill mated to a steel MS 310 and a 20-inch bar. I intend to upgrade to a larger displacement chainsaw and longer bar for future projects. But coupled with an Oregon ripping chain and the 310, this mill easily worked its way through some of the hardest eastern hardwoods. Even the black locust milled with ease. Number 3. Zozen Chainsaw Mill with Lumber Guide. This is a versatile tool for converting logs into beautiful slabs. It's made of durable aluminum alloy and steel. This mill is designed to make your woodworking projects easier. The Zozen chainsaw mill is suitable for chainsaws with bars from 14 to 36 inches. You can adjust the planking height and width. It allows you to mill slabs from 1-2 to 12 inches thick. The package includes guide rail lumber metal brackets. These are designed for logs from 6 to 36 inches in diameter. It comes with a level and screws for easy use. A user manual is also included. This mill features a unique, patented design with a spliced construction. It can be used in 3 different sizes. This design enhances portability, making it easier to use in various locations. It has a sleek look and an upgraded handle for better force. Assembly is simplified with fewer parts. The scale uses both metric and imperial systems. You'll also receive 4 PC felling wedges. Use it with your chainsaw to cut cedar, walnut, and oak. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport. It's perfect for homeowners, builders, woodworkers, and sawyers. What we like. This mill comes with lumber guide brackets, making it even easier to get started. If you want a mill that offers the same flexibility as the first one, but with added convenience, this is the one. If you're a builder or woodworker, this mill will be your perfect helper. What people say. Easy to set up and durable, well thought out. I love how you can adjust this mill into different sizes, super handy depending on the job. It's surprisingly stable and made my first milling project go smoother than expected. The guide system adds precision. Number 2. Chainsaw Mill Portable Planking Milling 14-36. This chainsaw mill is constructed from high-quality aluminum and galvanized steel. These new brackets are easier to adjust and built to last, ensuring long-term use. The unique design prioritizes safety. A glass shield prevents flying wood chips, while the U-shaped steel part protects the saw blade. The handle is wrapped in rubber for added comfort. It comes with all the necessary hardware for easy installation. You'll also receive a set of free steel files and working gloves, providing everything you need to get started. This chainsaw mill is suitable for chainsaws with a bar length between 14 and 36 inches. The planking milling height and width are adjustable, allowing you to mill slabs from 1-2 to 12 inches thick. This high-quality planking mill can be used on almost any type of timber. It's the perfect tool for homeowners, woodworkers, and carpenters alike. What we like. This mill is built with safety and comfort in mind, featuring a unique design for ultimate protection. If you prioritize safety and ease of use, this is the right choice. If you are a homeowner or carpenter, this mill will be your best friend. What people say. Used on fresh fallen cherry with a 20-inch steel 50 cubic centimeters chainsaw. Rigid construction and common sense adjustments. Perfect. Easy to use for cutting big logs. Once set up, very simple to use. For an 18-in log you will need a 24-in saw. Some length lost with setup. Number 1. SLIIMU Chainsaw Sawmill Kit. This chainsaw mill is made of high-quality aluminum and galvanized steel. It's strong, durable, and resistant to wear and rust, ensuring a long lifespan. The laser-engraved height adjustment ruler provides clear and easy-to-read scales. The wood sawmill can be adjusted to 3 different widths. It's suitable for chainsaws with blade lengths from 16 to 36 inches. You can accurately adjust the height to cut uniform slabs. Unlike bulky milling machines, this chainsaw planer guide is detachable and lightweight. Its portable design makes it easy to transport, allowing you to mill wood wherever you need. This mobile lumber mill is compatible with most chainsaws and guide rails. It's perfect for cutting various trees into high-quality lumber. It's ideal for homeowners, builders, and woodworkers. The kit includes the chainsaw mill, assembling tools, a user manual, gloves, and felling wedges. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us for assistance. What we like. This mill is made from high-quality materials, ensuring it will last. If you need a mill that's easy to transport and set up wherever you go, this is the perfect choice. If you're looking for a portable solution for milling wood at home or in the woods, this is the one. What people say. So it works as expected, cuts nice clean level slabs. Once together it seems pretty solid and should last my lifetime with the rate I'll be using it. Assembly was reasonable, no missing hardware. I like how you can tailor the size to match your chainsaw, pretty flexible to fit most common small to mid-size chainsaws. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.